Yet another Tesla Cybertruck goes off-roading in a riverbed and gets stuck in the mud. For 6 inches of mud makes the Cybertruck need an extraction team. Blaming the truck would no longer work anymore as the truck has shown its capability with right tires and an experienced off-road driver. This is the end result of an urban couple going off-roading without any off-road knowledge. The Lexus and the Jeep were trying to help the Cybertruck unstuck. The truck weighs 3.5 tons. It's not even remotely surprising that it sinks. You're gonna need more tires for the necessary traction and surface tension to counteract that. Seen plenty of vehicles in bad situations because of inexperience and seen plenty of vehicles we would not expect to make it because of good driving technique. It doesn't look like the tires are wear down at all, and it looks like they spent a good deal of time just spinning the tires.